In 5.5 years, with our sweat and our blood and our toil, we have rebuilt Pakistan. We have remade Pakistan. Pakistan has reasserted itself. Pakistan has revigorated itself in spite of the dismemberment. The question is that why pick on Zulfikar Ali Bhutto? They know that I've given a place to Pakistan, I've given a position. They know that I'm the pillar of stability and the symbol of stability and strength of Pakistan. That's why they want to remove the pillar of stability and the symbol of strength of Pakistan. That's the point. That's the reason. It's not just an individual. It's not Zulfikar Ali Bhutto as Zulfikar Ali Bhutto, but Zulfikar Ali Bhutto for what he has stood for, his struggle, what he stands for, and what he has done for Pakistan. I have given assurances again and again that I do not want to make Pakistan, my government policy is not to have a nuclear bomb. I have said it, that my government's policy is not to have a nuclear bomb. But at the same time, I have said that why should we be prevented from advancement in nuclear technology? How can you limit our advance in the field of nuclear technology? This is the most vital field. If we want to make advances in nuclear technology for peaceful purposes and not for purposes of war, because these peaceful purposes can be turned into purposes for war. And we say that we are prepared to give every guarantee, every assurance that we will not turn it for purposes of making the bomb. But we cannot be stopped from using this process for our peaceful needs, for our needs of fuel. And the argument hinges on it, no, that we do not want Pakistan to have this capability. The point is, I make it clear that I am not going to convert this capability for purposes of war. This assurance I have given solemnly, and inshallah the people of Pakistan will see that I will complete the mission for this great nation. I thank you very much.